Come test drive the 2020 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Come see the car for yourself.